everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we are here at New Haven Ribbon Walk by S&P which is located in Kelambakkam, Chennai. And today we'll be doing the complete project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, configuration, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So stay tuned until the end because by the end of this video, you will be clear with each and every single detail which will help you towards your decision making in your home buying journey. So right now we are here inside the marketing office of our project. So let's start with the project overview. Spread across 15 acres, this project consists of 8 towers, where Tower 1 and Tower 8 is completely sold out and residencies are residing over here. Now we are open with 2 towers, that is Tower 2, rising from basement ground plus 16 floor and Tower 7 rising from basement ground plus 18 floor. Here we have 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium home and rest of the towers are for future development. Now let's discuss about the location part and our project is located bang on Kelambakkam Vandalur Road in Kelambakkam, Chennai, where you get easy connectivity to VIT University in just 2 minutes. Chettinad Hospital is 10 minutes away from our project. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you 25 plus luxurious amenities like you get multi-purpose court, open space to relax, half basketball court, a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities and many more luxurious amenities. If you're planning to buy a home, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers do not know exactly what their rights are. For example, if you book a property by paying a token amount and later on you decide to cancel that booking, how much amount legally a builder can deduct? Or else, for example, after possession there is any leakage issue or quality related issue in your flat. Then, is the builder liable for the same? In this situation, what a home buyer can do? This all is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So a strong recommendation from my end that before you buy a home, just check out our this series which will helpful. You can get the link of our this series in the I button or else in the description link below. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and this project offers you 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium homes, where 2 BHK starts from 1050 to 1200 square feet super built up area, 3 BHK of 1490 to 1662 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of New Haven Ribbon Walk by S&P which is located in Kelambakkam, Chennai. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download the brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.